I am going to show you some kind of wonderful. I'm pretty excited. This is a corded keyboard, and that is a corded mouse. I want to change over to a wireless keyboard and mouse. Okay, watch the screen and watch this. For starters, what's in the box? It's going to tell you. There is a wireless keyboard, there is the mouse, the user manual, and the charging cable, and the USB receiver. That's what's in this box. I was so excited. Now, I've already taken out of the box because I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was doing before I made this video. So here we go. In the box, this is the keyboard, and it is really, really nice. Look at this keyboard. Isn't that beautiful? That is a thing of beauty. It is amazing. First thing you want to do with this one is find out where to turn it on. Hold on. There it is. Can you see it? It's right here. And you just simply go and turn it on. And that's where you're going to charge it when you need to charge it. Okay, so it is on, right? But first I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so I'm turning it off because I want to show you this is my corded keyboard and it's working right now. I'm going to type in, hey, need to work on the latest project. Okay, so you can see it typed it in just fine. See, this is that's my corded one. All right, so now, hang on. Now that you see that works, and that is my cord, so now I can turn it on. I'm going to turn it on right here. See where I'm turning it on? Just like this. It's on and off. Right there, and you can see the light come on. So put that down here. But your cordless keyboard isn't going to work right now because you haven't hooked it up to your computer to do something. So here's the next thing that's in this box. Flip it over. Ready? I'm pretty excited about this. Okay. Turn it around. And the one thing you really want to do when you get something is check out that this is called an instruction manual. Actually, it's just how to do it. Okay. That's the brand name. And this shows you exactly what to do and what comes with it. See, it's going to show you there's the mouse, all the different power switch, USB receiver, where it is, where it goes. So read this first when you're working on it. And I just glanced through it. It was really easy to do. I'm going to stick that over here. And here, right here is the mouse that came with the keyboard. And here is a charging cord. Okay? And I already charged it. Now let me show you. With this mouse, you just turn it over, and look, right here, this plugs into your computer. That's what's going to hook everything up together. It's just in the back of the mouse. And there. Now it's turned on. Okay, and you saw the little green light flashing? Okay, so as of right now, all I have to do is plug this into my computer, and this is going to work. Want to watch. There's not going to be hours and hours of fussing around trying to make it work. I'm going to reach down and I'll show you where I'm putting it. Hold on, let's take this off of here so you can see. This is down here. I'm going to take this right here. Can you see it? And I'm going to plug it in right there. Give it a good push, make sure it's in there. Okay, so it's in, plugged in. These are now working. Are you ready for this? Look. Can you see it already? Look. Can you see it already? There it is. And here's the keyboard. I'm going to type in, oops. We need an S on that one. Oops. Look, it did it already. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to highlight this, all of it. I'm going to hit delete. Yes. And then I can start typing anything I want to. Watch. It's that fast. Yes, I am so excited. It's that fast. I took this out of the box and within seconds we had it working. There's my old wired one, my new wireless, my new wireless. And it works. That's how fast it is. All I had to do was plug that in Make sure you get one. I'm going to put a link below. And I love typing with it. It's really easy to type with. It works very, very well. I'm really happy with it. I like the box that it was in. It came in a really good box. It has great instructions. It's wonderful. You're going to love it. Make sure you get yourself one.